Korean alphabets. The topic of today, Korean alphabets. There are 40 alphabets in Korean language. 40 alphabets. Korean alphabets are also known as Hangul alphabets. There are 19 consonants in Korean language and there are 21 vowels in Korean language or Hangul language. So let's discuss the 10 basic vowels in Hangul or Korean language. As we discussed earlier that there are 21 vowels in Hangul or Korean language, out of which 10 are basic. First basic vowel. The first basic vowel of Hangul language, or we can say Korean language, is A. The sound looks like A. 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 Number 2. Second basic vowel of Korean language is Ya. Ya. Repeat again. Ya. 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 Number 3. The third basic vowel of Korean language is O. O. Sound like O. Practice it. O. O. Number 4. The fourth basic vowel of Korean language is U. U. Sound like U. Repeat again. U. U. 5. The fifth basic vowel of Korean language is O. O. Sounds like O. Repeat again. O. O. Number 6. Number 6th basic vowel of Korean or Hangul language is Yo. Yo. Repeat again. Yo. Sound like Yo. Yo. Number 7. The seventh basic vowel of Korean language is U. 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 Let's repeat again. U. Number 8. Number 8th basic vowel of Korean or Hangul language is U. U. Repeat again. U. Sound like U. U. Number 9. The ninth basic vowel of Korean language is U. U. Sound like U. U. Repeat again. U. Number 10. The 10th basic vowel of Hangul or Korean language is E. E. Sound like E. Practice it. E. E. So kids, 10 basic vowels have been completed. Congratulations. Now let's learn the 11 double vowels of Korean language or Hangul language. First double vowel of Korean or Hangul language is A. A. Let's repeat again. A. A. The second double vowel of Hangul or Korean language is Ye. Ye. Let's repeat again. Ye. Sounds like Ye. 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 The third double vowel of Hangul or Korean language is similar to first double vowel of Korean language. That is A. A. Sounds like A. Fourth The fourth double vowel of Hangul or Korean language is similar to second double vowel of Hangul language, that is ye. Ye. Let's repeat again. Ye. Ye. Fifth double vowel of Korean or Hangul language is we. We. Let's repeat again. We. Repeat again. We. Sixth double vowel of Hangul or Korean language is we. 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 Let's repeat again. We. The seventh double vowel of Korean or Hangul language is wa. Wa. Sound like wa. Let's repeat again. Va. Number 8. Eighth double vowel of Korean or Hangul language is we. 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 Sounds like we. We. The ninth double vowel of Korean or Hangul language is wo. Wo. Sounds like wo. Let's repeat again. Wo. Wo. The tenth double vowel of Hangul or Korean language is we. We. Sounds like we. Let's repeat again. We. We. 11th and last double vowel of Hangul or Korean language is ui. Ui. Let's repeat again. Ui. Sounds like ui. Kids, we have learnt 10 basic vowels and 11 double vowels. Total vowels 21. There are 21 total vowels in Korean or Hangul language. Like, share and subscribe Moitu TV for kids learning. Thank you.